Does it mean that 1 million naira is no money to this babe? Why did she switch off her phone? 1 million. If you ever call this number again, or any of my numbers, you will not like what I will do to you. Fool! They will not get you.
My love, is everything all right?
Your phone was very busy all day, and later it was turned off. So I became worried. What's happening?
My love, please sit down. Please. Today has been a very bad day for me. On my way to work, my car stopped working. The one man offered me a ride, which I declined. I finally found a way to get to the mechanic and I gave him the key, which he promised to fix the car. But when I got to work, this same man who offered me a lift came here and was talking trash. So I walked him out of my office.
So, how did he get to know your office?
I don't know. It's still a mirage to me. He knew my name, your name. He even had my phone number and our address. I don't know how he knew. He's been the one engaging my phone, so I have to turn it off.
And what is the name of this man?
He called himself Mr. Sylvester and also said his friends called him Mr. Vested.
Turn your phone on.
Okay. I'm sure he's the one calling me. He's been calling me with different numbers.
Pick the call and put it on speaker.
Okay.
In all standard, beyond every reasonable doubt, you are a big girl, Melody. You are not treating my interest with maturity.
With all due respect, sir, I told you I'm married and I'm living happily with my husband. Why are you still calling my phone? And what do you mean by interest?
I have told you before that you are not married. You are just caged in sorrow and agony by that jobless lowlife. Divorce that man today and be my wife. I know you need a standard car. I asked you to send me your account number so I could remit 1 million naira to you. And you cut the call and put your phone off. I now realize that 1 million naira did not move you. I am going to pay the sum of 3 million naira into your account. If you could, Get rid of that hangover you call a husband and be my wife.
This is what I have been going through all day. He keeps calling me with different numbers. I have never met this man in my entire life.
Okay. I understand what you're passing through. All because I have no job. I understand the insult you're receiving every day because you married me. My love.
Thank you so much, my love. Your visit has really helped me out.
You have to turn your phone on. You can never tell when a good call will come in and you will miss it because of this man. Even if he calls, just pick the call. Don't say anything. Don't even listen to him. Maybe from there, he will caution himself. I'm leaving.
Okay, baby.
Take care. Bye.
Thank God for the kind of man I married. How many men will understand?
You and I will always be together. You have my heart. We'll never part. Together we will stay. No matter what they do, I will love you. You are the one I love forever. You and I will always be together. You have my heart. We'll never part. Together we will stay.
Can you explain the meaning of this? Why are you trailing me?
What do you mean by trailing you? See, I don't know about that, but I think we're going the same direction.
The same direction? What do you mean by that? See, I am going home and I don't want you to follow me home. Do you understand?
I'm going down there to see my uncle. I don't know what you mean by follow you home.
Okay then, you can continue. Continue to where you're going to now. You don't want to go again.
You're acting like a schoolboy. But you know what? I like men like you. So, can we be friends? I mean, can I have your number?
No, we can't be friends. I am married. I'm not interested in such act.
So you really think that being a married man will prevent you from having some small fun? Small fun.
Can you continue to see your uncle? Why am I even here talking to you?
I'm sure you don't want to turn a fine girl down. Hello? Hello?
If that man ever comes back here again, don't you bring him to me. I don't want to ever set my eyes on him.
Madam, why now? Why? For bringing him to you today, he gave me 10,000 naira, almost my salary. And that is the highest tip I have ever received since I started working here.
That is your business. I don't want to be part of it. If you ever usher that man into my presence again, I will write a memo to the GM on that. He is an intruder and should be treated as one. Am I understood?
Very well, ma'am. Very well, ma'am. Please, ma'am. Please.
You can leave.
Hello. Are you there? Say something to me, my paragon of beauty. I really want us to reach to a compromise today. I really want us to arrive to an understanding. Baby. Hello? Angel. Sweetie. Hello? Baby. Angel, say something to me. Hello?
Together we will stay.
All these temptations are coming to us simply because I'm not employed. This time around, I'm going to travel. And I believe that something is going to happen. And I will not stop searching until something is achieved. I will not stop.
Where are you traveling to?
Honey, I've taken census of all the chemical companies in this country. I will travel from state to state. It has not paid me sitting at home. I won't sit at home and wait for them to write me. I have to go to them. But I strongly believe that this time around that something is going to happen after the trip.
I thought you said you wanted to pursue a career in event planning and management.
Yeah, I changed my mind again. I'll settle for that if after this trip nothing happens. Let me make the trip first.
Okay. Honey, you won't believe that he's the one calling again.
Man makes man to be evil and wicked. I know you, I believe you know what that means.
Who are you?
My name is Chidibeze. The woman you've been disturbing since morning is my wife. And I'll ask you to stop digging your grave.
What do you mean by digging my own grave? Are you threatening me or what? Do you know the caliber of man you're speaking with?
I'm aware of the offer you made to her to dump me and marry you. And I'm equally aware that she has told you that she's not interested. Are you still disturbing her? Look, young man, I am warning you. This time around, you're not going to face the woman, you're going to face me.
If you would listen to me, you don't need to get yourself all worked up. I have given my heart to you, and nothing or no one can change it.
Everybody's talking about you. They're talking about me. They say we shouldn't be together. They just don't know how I love you so.
From every reason, I believe he is not as simple as you told me.
Don't tell me you are scared.
I am not scared. From all I have seen, the lady in question loves the husband, and the husband loves her too, and can hit at anything that wants to come in between them. Nelly, I was wondering why you would ask me to come and destroy a functioning relationship.
You parried yourself as a strong man, and after one fruitless effort, you're giving up.
You told me that the husband does not love the wife, and that she is your colleague, and that you want to separate the relationship because you believe that the husband is going to dump her. You give me an impression that you love her and wants the best for her.
That's the truth. She's my colleague and I love her so much. Oh, don't tell me that after one day you have gathered enough information to counter my brief to you.
That is why I am the master of this game. The come in the metro, I vested, can unmask anything within few hours.
And what have you unmasked?
Nelly, the beauty of the spider web does not depend on its decoration. It is as a trap to its prey and a defense to its predator. That relationship is built on an undiluted love. And men like me that are unlucky when it comes to love are not always happy breaking two lovers. You lied to me. I know all.
I'm not happy you called me a liar. This is the first time I'm asking you to do something. And I'm disappointed you're telling me stories.
Wait, Nelly! You are not getting any younger. I think you should be thinking of getting a husband yourself. Now leave my presence!
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
What are the tests you took in my company as regard to chemicals? It's right here before me. And I must say that I'm happy with what I'm seeing. You actually impressed my chemical engineers and I. We are very happy. And I must say that the future of this company awaits you. A matter of fact, you are what we need in this company. I want to officially welcome you to Dallas Company Limited.
Thank you, sir.
Having said that, I must tell you that this company is built on integrity and fairness to all.
Thank you, sir.
We will match your zeal with commensurate task. And for the fact that you live in Asaba, we built a new plant in Asaba, and I'm making you the head of that plant. So, Mr. Chidi Ibezim, congratulations. This is your appointment letter.
Thank you, sir.
And I officially welcome you to Dallas Company.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome to Dallas.
Thank you, sir. You're welcome. Thank you, sir. You're welcome.
Woo! Woo!
Please just tell me, what is the excitement about?
As you can see, I am not going to Port Harcourt. I am not going to Yenegua. I'm staying here in Asaba with my wife. That is what the excitement is all about! Woo! I'm so happy. I'm so happy, baby.
Wait. What's going on? I'm lost here. Explain to me.
Babe, my start-on salary is $4,000. They pay me in dollars. They pay me in dollars. And to show you they are not joking, my wardrobe allowance is 200,000 naira. Everything, baby. I'm so good. I'm starting work with dance. Yes, you can dance together. Come on, give it to me. Where? Babe, I'm starting work with Dallas Chemical Limited. And they made me the head of their new plant established here in Asaba. I'm happy. We are made. Thank you, Lord.
I know the young lady is a very good girl. Well brought up, I must say. In short, her mother did a good job. And I will always hail any woman that brings up her daughter in a good way.
So why are you complaining now? Why are you then complaining? So if you ask me, that woman is the best wife anybody can pray to have. Yes, and please do not forget in a hurry that she stood by your son all through the period that things were rough for him. And most especially now that they have found their bearing as man and wife, you shouldn't be complaining, not at all.
Thomas, you know the problem I have with you. Are you the only one that studied abroad? You're not thinking like an Igbo man anymore.
Of course I am.
But you're not thinking like one. A year and 3 months, they don't have a child. And no pregnancy to show for it in Agwam. Yes, I have no problems. She's a good woman. But where it matters, you got to go in the chorus. She's not performing. Oh my God.
I understand where you are going. Now let me tell you a beautiful story.
Tell me, I'm listening.
I have a friend who lived with his wife in Onitsha for good 18 years. I mean 18 years before she was able to conceive and give birth to a set of twins. Boys to be precise. And you know what? It was celebrated as though it was a miracle.
I don't want that kind of miracle. I don't want it. 18 years? I'll probably be dead by then.
Oh, see, so what I'm trying to make you understand is that that woman was able to register this miracle because the husband's family supported her. I want you to support your daughter-in-law at all time.
Did she send you to tell me this?
Why would you say a thing like that? Of course, you know that nobody sent me. I am telling you the truth as your own brother, and I want you to accept it in good faith.
Thomas, you're my brother, so I don't want to get upset with you. You're acting as if you don't know that Chidi is the only child that I have.
Are you telling me that? Am I not his uncle?
Okay.
I know. In his own time, he is going to make all things beautiful. Good evening, Mom.
Chakwa. Just wait. Does it mean that if I leave you, you cannot use your brain? You cannot use it, okay? Eh? You just sit down there and pretend that all is well, okay?
Why are you getting me confused, Mother? Eh? You're sounding as if everything has gone wrong. Why?
Everything has gone wrong, and you know it. Everything has gone wrong. Why are you pretending that you don't know that things have gone wrong?
I don't understand what you mean. I don't understand.
Okay, I will tell you what I mean by that. 15 months of marriage. 15 months! Your wife has not delivered. No sign of pregnancy. Inoleba Nasim, what has gone wrong? Let me tell you, if it doesn't bother you, it bothers me. And I intend to do something about it.
I'll come and see you over the weekend.
Okay, Mama. Okay, no money. And please, I beg you in the name of God, when you're coming, don't come without your wife. Because I need to talk to you. I need to sit you down and talk some sense into you. Nonsense. Masalo, Mbose.
everything alright? What's wrong? You look like there's something wrong with your mom.
There's nothing wrong, my dear. Don't bother yourself. It's just being a normal, difficult person. But I will handle that over the weekend.
There was this funny way she was looking at me. I tried to smile at her, but she didn't.
See.
My love, was this phone call about me?
Sweetheart, why are you bothering yourself over my mother's attitude? You know she's a difficult woman. Eh? I am the one you're marrying. You should be concerned about me. Okay?
Baby, I know. But I want you to know that your mother plays an important role in our marriage. And we need to find out what her problem is.
Mama, if you're being angry with my wife, it's because she's not pregnant. Mama, I tell you your anger means nothing because I am the one that worked it out.
You were the... What do you mean you were the one that worked it out?
Okay, Mama, I am a scientist. I'm not a doctor. Even when I'm not a doctor, I know everything about conception. Mama, the woman I live with, I know exactly when to get her pregnant. I decided not to because I'm not ready.
Please, I don't understand what you're talking about.
Mama, were you expecting me to get her pregnant when I have nothing doing? She was the one that was making the money we were living on. So I know exactly when to get her pregnant. Mama, I decided not to because I'm not ready yet.
She had better get pregnant. She had better get pregnant too. Else you will not like what I will do.
Mama, you're funny. Okay, let us assume that she was unable to get pregnant. Mama, can't you go there? Okay, if you hear me, what will you do?
It's a simple matter. I will throw her out. I'll chop me.
You're talking about the woman I wedded in the church. You
did not marry one. You married a him. Even the church does not allow a man to marry a he. Chidi, let me tell you something. I don't want to get angry. That's why I'm being very calm. You people should not get me angry. Because if you get me angry, you will not like what you will see. I want more Chidi.
Mama, you're the one getting me angry now. I'm telling you. And I'm assuming it's nothing with him.
Hey, Maro. Hey, Maro.
You again? What do you want?
Do not be afraid, for I am harmless. I sent you a text message and you did not answer me.
Why would I answer you? Do I even know you? Why can't you just leave me alone?
I came here because I observed that you and your husband are in love for me. Since you have refused to forgive me, I came to apologize face to face.
Okay, sir. Your apology has been accepted. Can you please just leave my office?
Oh, Melody. The people that claim that they love you are actually looking for every opportunity to bite at you like the cobra and sting like the bee. Be warned.
Nelly. Melody. Melody! What is wrong with you? You look odd.
Nothing, I'm fine.
Melody, are you hiding something from me? Come on, I'm your colleague and as well as your friend. I know you very well. It's written all over you that you're bothered about something. So tell me, what is it?
I'm fine. Nothing.
It's kind of you don't want to tell me what the problem is. But it's fine. So, what about the...
Sweetheart. Hello dear. Honey, are you okay? Why are you still on your office outfit?
Oh, babe, I'm so tired. I didn't even know when I slept off here.
Stress, I know. Office stress, your car stress, that your old car which your father gave to you years back. You know what? Whenever I see you opening the bonnet of that old car, I feel so bad. And I keep asking God, why? God, why? Why can't you just give us a brand new car?
Come on, baby. That's not my problem right now.
No, it's my problem. Yes, it's my problem. And you know what? Come with me.
Baby, I'm very tired. All I want to do is just go in and take a hot shower.
We are going to shower together. Just come with me.
Are we going far?
Does it mean you don't trust me anymore? Just come with me. Come. Come, get up. Come with me.
Oh, baby.
Just come with me. Come first.
My slippers.
Leave it. No, it's safe. Me. Come first.
My slippers.
Leave it. No, it's safe.
Leave.
Hold on first. Hold on.
I can't see.
Now, open your eyes and see.
No.
Yes.
Babe. Explain.
That's the latest model of Toyota Camry. I bought it today. And it's for you. Feel it.
Feel it. Oh, no.
I'll see you tomorrow. Get some ice cream from the
Tell me I'm dreaming.
Do you like it?
Babe, pinch me. Am I dreaming?
No, I'll pinch you. Pinch you. You're not dreaming.
You know, I'm so surprised at you. That you've become so daft.
That you don't even see what is there. What are you talking about? I checked the price of the car and it is very expensive.
And that is it. He spent so much money to buy you a car so that when he eventually dumps you, he will say he has settled you.
Why are you always talking trash?
There she goes again. They may sound like trash to you, but believe me, they are no trash. He wants to upturn everything you did for him so that he can make you feel indebted to him. Melody, trust me, if I were you, I'll just take the car back and give it to him.
It is possible, my dear, that you are advising me from your heart. But I am not interested. There is no way I would insult my husband by throwing the gift that he gave to me out of love back at him.
You know, you've become so low in understanding lately. I don't know.
There is nothing to understand. I love my husband, my dear. And he loves me too, and not you. I would appreciate if you just leave us alone and concentrate on your own life.
Melody, do you know you just insulted me?
You have been insulting my husband for a very long time now. Listen, I know that you don't like him. But I am the one he loves, and not you. So please, just leave us alone to live our lives before you get your fingers burnt.
Melody, it will happen so soon. And trust me, I will.
You always claim that you have your senses, but your actions prove otherwise. How on earth will you buy your first car and give it to a woman?
Kizito, she's not just an ordinary woman. She's not just a mere woman just like that.
I gave this car to my wife. A woman that saw the best in me, the love of my life. She saw the best in me and married me when I had nothing. Yes. You see, I have these feelings that she has caged you with this chance that ladies of nowadays toy with.
She caged me with love. Undiluted love.
And I vowed to do anything in my power to make her comfortable. Yes. She did get that from my car.
Baba Kizito. Don't forget that you're talking to branch manager of Dallas Chemical Company Limited. So you should talk to me with respect.
I will not talk to you with respect because you don't respect yourself.
Okay. Okay.
Now get down.
I'll remember that.
Together we will stay.
Even your enemy knows that you're beautiful. So I don't know why you're sampling your beauty before me.
Just take a closer look at me. What do you see?
I always see the same thing. A beautiful woman with a heart of gold.
Oh, baby.
I bless the day I met you.
Every day, I find new reasons to love you more and more.
And that is what I told Kizito, that I will always love you and love you till I die. You have no equal at all.
Baby, you did it.
Did what? What is this?
Read it. I'm pregnant.
Wow!
Yes.
How did you find out?
I've been feeling funny for a couple of weeks now, so I went to see my doctor, and he confirmed that I am pregnant.
Come here, come here, come here. We are pregnant.
Yeah.
Take it easy, please.
Come on, I'm fine.
Hey, where's my phone? Let me call my mom.
Oh,
go and get my phone.
Babe,
please.
no, you can use mine. Yeah.
I'm so happy.
Chidi.
Hello, Mom.
Good.
I'm fine. Mom, it shall be permanent. It shall be permanent. What the Lord has done for us. It shall be permanent.
Chidi Ogini, what shall be permanent? What is it that you're not telling me? Talk now, what is it, Chidi Biko?
I told you, Mom, that it's going to happen very soon. My wife is pregnant.
Chidi, say that. Chidi, Mom, this is awesome news. Oh, Chidi, oh, God is faithful. I always said it, God is faithful. Hi, God, you're awesome. I thank you, Lord. Chidi, Namo, I can't believe this. I cannot believe this, Chidi. Hey, how? When?
Yeah, my wife is 2 months pregnant and the doctor has confirmed it that the pregnancy is in the right shape. Mom, rejoice with us.
I am rejoicing now. I am already rejoicing. Hey, now, what about your wife?
She's right here with me.
Let me talk to her. Near the phone, let me talk to her.
Talk to her.
Okay. Hello, Mom.
Oh! Mello, good evening, Mom. Wonderful girl. If you know how I talk about you, you won't even believe it. I am very proud of you. When I talk about you, people listen. Because I know your mother trained you well. See now, God has blessed you. Hey, Mello!
Thank you, Mom.
Mello, I am happy that you people have gone to see the doctor. And you need to register for antenatal. Very, very important. You don't want any complications, so.
Mom, we know the importance of the pregnancy. And we cannot leave anything to chances.
Okay, Mom. Oh, okay, Mom. That is good. But don't worry. Before the month runs out, I'll come and visit you people.
That would be nice, Mom. But, Mom, I wish you were coming to live here.
That is not possible. I wish I could, man. You know my little business. If I leave it for that my sales girl, she will run it down. But don't worry, I'll come. I will come. Go. Very soon my name will become Come and Go. Mello.
No problem, Mom. We'll be expecting you.
God is awesome. Oh. Hey, Nemo.
Okay. Bye.
Wow. Babe, this calls for celebration. Let's go.
Baby.
Let's go celebrate.
We are celebrating.
Let's go out.
No. Babe, we can't go out.
Why?
Babe, you know we have lots of enemies around us. So we cannot give them any chance to be close to us.
You just made a point. Carefulness is the watchword.
You and I will always be together.
Hey.
We're not going to be asked for so
How's my baby doing? Yeah, I'm back. Wow. I want to make a move for the family and a wise move.
What exactly do you mean by you want to do a move for the family? What move?
You know, when a man loves a woman, she saturates his mind with a lot of thoughts. You all are thinking of that right now.
Oh.
Baby. I love you. I love you with everything in me. I love you with all my heart. You're all that I'm thinking of. I can't even think of any other thing. I can't even think of any other person. You saturate this memory, this brain. It's all about you.
Why do you want to make me cry? I love you too.
I love you too, baby. I love you more. Okay, do you know what? Come with me.
Baby, I'm not well dressed to go out.
We are not going far. Just outside. Just come with me. Okay? Come on. Yeah. You know he's a boy.
Whatever.
He's a boy.
Oh my God.
Let me show you the moves. Take it easy, okay? Just take it easy.
Baby, let me put on my slippers properly.
Slowly. Yes, baby. This is the moves I'm talking about.
No.
Yes.
Who owns this car?
You, of course. It's your car. I bought it for you. Because you deserve it. Yes, it's your car. And that's the key.
Babe. You went to buy me another car when I already have a brand new car?
No, that one is old. This one is newer. I'll collect the old car from you. And you'll be driving this new car. Babe, you are the foundation of this family. You deserve the best. See, I will love you till we die.
Baby. Why are you doing all this for me?
You want to know what you've done? You stood by me in the dark days when nobody gave me chance. I love you, sweetheart. I'll always love you till we die. You sow a powerful seed into my heart. I'll always be there for you.
I love you too.
Love you, baby. Come on, stop crying. Come on. Go and feel your car. Touch your car, drive your car, feel your car, carry it on your head, cruise with my baby, you know. Come on, go. Go and feel your car, come on. Come on. You deserve it. You deserve it, yeah. Babe, go. Come on, enjoy yourself.
What are we doing here?
Melody, my love, you once told me that you love a house like this with this kind of color.
Yeah, I love houses with this kind of color. But,
That means you love this house.
who didn't like this house? It's beautiful. Babe, who has this house and why are you asking me all these questions?
By His grace, you're going to have your baby in this house, and he is going to grow up in this house.
My love, if you think that I would allow you rent this house, no way. That's irresponsible. I'll suggest that we still live in the house that we live in and gradually start building our house from there.
Melody, my love. This is our house. Your house.
Huh? Am I dreaming?
You're not dreaming. I started building this house when I started working. I wanted this house to be a surprise to you. I thank God today that I succeeded. We are packing from here into this house. We're going to bring whatever we need from the other house later. So, this is your house. Chidi, I'm coming. It's okay, I'm coming.
Everybody's talking about you. They're talking about me. They say we shouldn't be together. They just don't know how I love you so. I give my life to you. Nobody else will do. You are the one I love forever. You and I will always be together.
You mean you did all this without me knowing?
You made it possible.
I will always love you. You are the one I love forever. You and I will always be together. You have my heart. We'll never part. Together we will stay. No matter what they do, I will love you.
with a great big kiss. From me to you, won't you say you love Mama too? Friends, my mother said it clearly. Listen to friends and you will die quickly. Thank God I listened to her. Hello, my love.
I am the best because you said so. You are the very best amongst the best. How is the big boy doing?
Fine, dear. Everything is fine.
I am on the road.
Where are you going?
Heading for a meeting in Sabele. I told you about the new plant we are setting up there.
Oh, yes, you did. So, are you coming back home?
Why not? I will come back. I actually called to tell you that my secretary is on her way to the house. Open the safe in my library and bring out the black briefcase. Open the briefcase and you will see a file marked original analysis. Give it to her.
But, my love, you know I don't know the combination to your safe.
That's because you never asked. I will text you the code after the phone call. Please give her the file because she must upload some vital information from it to our chairman.
Okay, dear, just send me the text and I will get the files ready before she gets here. Alright, okay. I love you.
Why are you kneeling before me? Get up, get up, get up. Get up, please, 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 no matter what, get up. Shedding tears. What's the matter?
I saw the vows. I saw everything. Your life insurance worth 250 million. And you made me the only beneficiary.
Is that why you're shedding tears? See, sweetheart, you remain the most valuable thing I have. I have your name in everything because you owe everything. What matters to me is your love. Once I have your love, you have everything.
In my next life, if there's anything like that, you would be my husband. And I will love you till my last breath.
Come on, clean your tears, okay?
Everybody's talking about you.
You're so funny.
They're talking about me. They say we shouldn't be together. They just don't know how I love you so. I give my life to you. Nobody else will do. You are the one I love forever. You and I will always be together. You have my heart, we'll never part. Together we will stay. I will always love you. You are the one I love forever. You and I will always be together. You have my heart, we'll never part. Together we will stay.